products in Indian market. But it's not that easy that any foreign company come and sell their product in Indian market. You need to have Indian fees as well as Indian support system. So in this case now, by doing this venture, they came in India as India fees. Okay, so they got entry in Indian market. When we say India, India is strategically a very good location if you're targeting to serve Asian countries or Southeast Asian countries, especially Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. So companies who are coming now in India, okay, because of now Make in India also there is so much of traction happening in the market. So their target is not only India, but to serve Asian market through India, okay, because strategically a good location. When companies do ventures, alliances, collaborations, the manufacturing responsibility of an Indian company, so there will not be a manufacturing headache for them, right? And because of they produce or they outsource some parts or they produce complete part assembly in India, they receive cost reduction with which they can better sell their products in other markets like European market as well as US market. Now, what are the advantages from Indian company side? So first we get foreign investment, as I explained you. Second, we get assured business with better pricing. That is also important, with better pricing. Technology benefit. Entry for export market, because through that company we also start increasing our exports. Okay. Existing clients value you more. So what I mean by this, if suppose Mahindra is your existing client, okay, in India, you're already serving Mahindra with your product, and tomorrow you have some venture or alliance with your European company. So Mahindra will value you more because now you have some association with European company with which you got technology upgraded. If you form up a subsidiary in Germany, then also they'll value you more because then you have some operations on the European ground. Okay, so that I mean by existing clients value more. Eligible for big orders from Indian market. So we have observed this, that many companies who did ventures, collaborations, they also started getting bigger orders from Indian market. Okay, because in India companies always need foreign technology but local support, local pricing, and when you do some kind of venture, that's a perfect combination: foreign technology, local support, local manufacturing. Okay. International recognition and brand value automatically increases. There is also a distribution venture which we did for one of the machine tool manufacturing company. Now, in Europe and US, there are many companies who have their own established distribution network. Okay, so what they do is they buy your standard product, probably a white label product they buy. They label it with their own brand name, and they sell it through their network. Most importantly, they provide service and support through their network, because service is something, even if you sell machines or machine tool from India, right, what about the service? That always be a question. So in this case, you get a service support and many ventures which we initiated. Okay, now a lot of companies ask me that why now? Okay, so many traction is happening. Why now so much of, or why we always call it as this is the right time. Okay, so India now biggest and fastest growing market on world map with a GDP of 5%, which is increasing. Increase awareness about Indian favorable scenario, both the sides. So we also get now awareness, as well as foreign companies are also well aware. Considerable upgradation which we are having now in terms of quality, technology, skills and finance. New government which Mr. Modi is leading with a fantastic way, increasing support. So that's previously Europeans used to believe on nearshoring. So they used to buy from Turkey, Romania, Slovenia, Slovakia. Okay, but now they are moving towards offshoring. So buying from India and China. So I'll hand over now to, I believe, Simona. Okay, but in my next slides you can see that how should be our strategy to crack European market and what are the steps where we can support. Yeah, thank you.